If you or one of your loved ones are suffering from dry and damaged hair, it's time to go bananas. Hey everyone, it's Samantha Erica here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my DIY banana hair mask. So bananas are known for their moisturizing properties and they provide a lot of hydration for your hair. But before I get started with today's video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below. And also, so you don't miss out on any of my new videos, don't forget to hit that notification bell also down below so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's get started. Bananas are amazing food for your hair in both ways. You can either eat them for their nutrients and you can also apply them as a hair mask. Bananas provide your hair with tons of moisture and nutrients like vitamin C, B5, and magnesium. Some of the benefits of banana hair mask include it deep conditions hair and hydrates every strand. It leaves your hair feeling soft, silky, and shiny. It encourages faster hair growth. It tames frizz and flyaways. It greatly reduces split ends, and it also adds elasticity to the hair. Finished applying the banana mask all over my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it up like so and put a cap on it. And I'm just gonna let this mask sit in my hair while I go and make dinner and eat dinner. So it's probably gonna be in my hair for over an hour, but this mask is fine to leave in your hair about 30 minutes or more, and then you can go ahead and rinse it out. You don't wanna leave this mask in your hair overnight. It's not one of those masks that I would recommend leaving in your hair overnight, just because if the banana gets completely dry in your hair, it's going to be really hard for you to wash out. I've actually made a mistake and leave this mask in my hair overnight, and I totally regret it. So definitely not overnight, maybe an hour, 2 hours, but I wouldn't let the banana dry in your hair. So I'll just go ahead and do what I have to do, and I'll come back after I rinse it out to let you guys see the results.